Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we're going to be talking about the makeup do's and don'ts working out pretty much. Generally it's not a very good idea putting a full face of makeup to the gym, thanks to the scary idea of getting breakouts and smearing mascara, which is not gonna look pretty after those sweaty hours. But that being said, we don't usually feel ourselves going to the world, facing the world with a bare face. We want to let up a bit of confidence. So today in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my do's and don'ts of putting makeup when going to gym. So if you're curious about knowing what those are, please keep on watching. So the first don't I have for you guys today is don't put a lot of products onto your face, because it's not gonna look good and it's not gonna feel good. A lot of products, greasy, oily product mixed in with sweat, you're gonna look smudgy after a couple of hours at the gym. Also, it increases the potential of getting epic breakouts after those wonderful workout sessions. So I would keep it very minimal. So if you absolutely cannot digest the idea of going out with that bare face, then you can do certain simple things here and there just to frame your face and to look a little bit more fresh. Which brings me to do number one, which is using a brow gel. Because you cannot really imagine what a brow can do to your face. It really frames your face and give that good definition and dimension to the face without looking, overpowering. So that keeps it in a very natural way. So I usually do my Gimme Brow Gel from Benefit Cosmetics. I take a little bit of that and just apply it on my eyebrows. So this brings me to the don't number two, which is don't use any products that are oil based or that is too much greasy. For example, if you're using a moisturizer, use a moisturizer that is non-oil based. Yes, that is very important, because you don't want to feel like an oil slick after working out. You don't want to be using any of those products, oil-based products that promises you a dewy look, because you don't want to really look dewy when you're working out, because you're going to be already sweating a lot and going to look hella dewy. So the product that I would suggest and I use on a daily basis is this moisturizer here from Neutrogena, and this is the oil. And this is specifically for sensitive skin. So I take a little bit of that on the back of my hand like that, just a little bit, and apply it on my face. Voila! All done. I have already guessed this already. My do number two, use products that helps with the shine. So if you want to look really dewy after a long workout session at the gym, you can always take a blotting papers with you. I don't have a blotting paper here with me to show you, but usually you know what a blotting paper is, right? It looks like a sheet of paper, like a white film that you put on top of your face, like blah blah blah, to take any of the excess dewiness away or excess products away. You can still use that while you are at gym after your workout session. Just blot it away with the blotting paper, so all the sweat that is on your face is gonna look dewy. Yeah, it's gonna look dewy. Try that. Which brings me to the don't number three.
A big no to foundation. No foundation, you guys.
But I don't know how much I should stress this enough. Putting foundation on your face while you're working out is a very bad idea, because the whole point is you're working out, your pores are open, you're just clogging your pores by putting lots of heavy stuff on your face. It is not good. If you're wearing foundation, if you cannot avoid having that little bit of coverage on your face, go for the tinted moisturizer, which is very light, which is very breathable, helps your skin to breathe while you're working out. Stop using foundation, you guys. I've seen many people coming to the gym with a whole face of foundation. See, I'm not here to judge you guys, but it could be you had a long day at work and you're coming to to the gym, you know, just after work and you forgot to wash your face or whatever, please don't wear foundation because it defeats the purpose. It's, you know, cleansing all the dirts out of your skin while you're working out, and you are just clogging your pores by putting heavy stuffs on your face again. So please don't use foundation, which brings me to the do number 3, a concealer to spot correct. Yes, don't use a foundation, but use something to spot correct, like a concealer. So I usually put like 2 dots or 3 dots underneath my eyes, and wherever I have some dark spots, I have dark spots all over my face. But, you know, wherever I can cover pretty much, which I think is a little bit too much, like here, a little bit there. I guess that's pretty much it. I don't want too much of coverage. So yeah, you can use a tinted moisturizer totally, because it's breathable, it's lightweight, it just adds some color, gives some polished look to your face. But I personally don't put tinted moisturizer while I'm going to gym, because I like to be as much as bare face as possible, but still hiding some of the, you know, dark spots I have. This brings me to tip number 4, or don't number 4. Is that 4? That is the count. I guess it's 4, hey? Yeah. Anyways, don't number 4, which is don't wear lots of color on your face. Yes. Don't think about your smoky, sexy, smoky eye, red lips, pink, bright lips. Probably is not a good idea when you're heading to gym, right? That brings me to the do number 4, which is try a tinted lip balm. I usually put tinted lip balms on my lips when I'm heading out to gym. So the one that I use is a drugstore one, which is from Burt's Bees, and this is in the shade Replenishing. So I take a little bit of that. It's number 5. Which is don't wear lots of eye makeup. Yes, I mean it. Don't wear a lot of eye makeup, because this is not the time to show your skills of doing a smoky eye or glitter eye or winged eye, flick eyeliner, whatever you want to call it. This is not the time. So keep it very simple. Which brings me to do number 5, which is try a waterproof mascara if you cannot avoid doing something to the eye. I usually avoid doing nothing, absolutely nothing to the eye. I like to keep it very simple, because I know I'm going to be sweating, and also I'm going to be sweating through my eyes, my eyelids, my eyelashes. So I don't want to be doing this and then smudging a lot of mascara all over my face and then running to the gym bag and getting a makeup wipe and wiping it away. I ain't got time for that. So yeah, just get some waterproof mascara, whatever you have. Put that on your eye if you really cannot avoid going to the gym without some pop of color into your eye. So I think that's it. No, I got one more do's and don'ts. So which brings me to do number 6. The last and final, this is actually a tip. This is not actually a do-don't kind of thing, but this is actually a tip that to use sunscreen. Yes, so there are people who works outdoors, who likes to get the sun-kissed look while you're working out. I'm not into it, just because I'm a brown girl and I'm not gonna look very good when I'm tan. Well, I don't get tanned, I get burned when I go out in the sun. So yeah, I just totally avoid it. But for you guys who are very much into doing outdoor exercises, try putting, or you should actually put sunscreen before trying to work out, because you know why. Okay, so yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Until we see you again next time with another video. Bye. Love you guys.